In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix notes not showing on Instagram. Instagram has recently rolled out Instagram Notes feature. There are short notes you can post to followers or to your close friend list. But the notes feature on Instagram might not be visible for most of you out there. So in that case, here is how to fix Instagram notes not showing on Instagram. The first thing to do is to make sure your Instagram application is up to date by checking the updates for the app. Simply go ahead and open up App Store or your Play Store and go to the search box and type in Instagram. Once you make a search, if there is an update available for your Instagram app, you'll be able to see it right beside the app. Give it a tap to download the latest version of Instagram on your mobile device. Also, make sure that your device and internet connection are working properly. Once the application is updated, tap on Open. Now, once you're logged into your Instagram, go and tap on the direct message icon at the top right. Your notes should be visible right on this page. But if you still don't see your notes available on Instagram, then the next thing to do is to simply log out of your Instagram account. Tap on the human icon at the bottom right from the main home page, and from your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right. Now, tap Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on Log Out button and log out of your account like you normally do. Once you're logged out of your Instagram account, log in back again, and that might help you fix your issue. If that still doesn't work, then simply delete your Instagram application from your mobile device. Press hold the Instagram app icon and tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, and tap on Delete one more time. And once the application is deleted, go back to your App Store or your Play Store and re-download the application. Once you try out these solutions, you might be able to fix your Instagram Notes issue. But if it still doesn't work, then the feature might not have been rolled out on your area. Once the feature is available everywhere around the world, it'll be available to you as well. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever Instagram Notes is not showing. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.